안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce how to make a refreshing cold cucumber soup, as it was requested by a subscriber. It's a dish that you can enjoy on hot days like this. The ingredients are really simple. It's refreshing, crunchy, and delicious. Shall we start together? This is a Korean cucumber. For cold cucumber soup, it's best to use cucumbers with pure seeds inside. If you don't have Korean cucumbers, you can use English cucumbers. Wash the cucumber thoroughly. Since the ends of the cucumber can be bitter, cut them off. Slice it thinly. Julienne it again. Cucumbers are also known to be very healthy as they contain nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, and potassium. Put the sliced cucumber in a bowl. Then you slice the onion as well. The onion used today is sweet onion. If you use regular onions, you can slice them and soak them in water for a while to reduce the spiciness. You can also use red onion instead of onions. Finely chop 1 clove of garlic and put it in the bowl. If you have red chili pepper, slice half of it thinly. If you don't have a red chili pepper, you can use a small amount of red bell pepper slices instead. Add half tablespoons of salt to the cucumber. Also add 1 tablespoon of tuna fish sauce, which will enhance the flavor. If you don't have a tuna fish sauce, you can add a bit more salt. Add approximately 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. If you have plum extract, you can add about 1 tablespoon for a slightly sweet flavor. Plum extract adds a subtle sweetness. If you don't have plum extract, you can add an additional half tablespoon of sugar. Oh, and the important ingredient, add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. If you like a tangier taste, you can add 1 more tablespoon. For me, 3 tablespoons of vinegar are just right. You can also use lemon instead of vinegar. Mix everything well. If you brine the cucumber ingredients together in advance, the vegetables will not become bland and will be more delicious later. Let it brine for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, pour 2 cups of cold water into the bowl. Add a sliced red chili pepper. If you want younger children to eat it, you can skip it. Finally, sprinkle a bit of sesame seeds. If you eat it as is, it can be a bit salty. Just before eating, add a few ice cubes. Adjust the seasoning according to your taste. If you find it too salty, you can add a little more water. If it's a bit bland, you can add a little more salt. How to eat? You can enjoy it like a soup when you have a rice, or you can boil some noodles and add them to the cucumber cold soup for a satisfying meal. Very refreshing, crunchy, and delicious cold cucumber soup is done. How was today's recipe? Instead of a warm soup dish this weekend, how about trying to make a refreshing cold cucumber soup? Thanks for watching. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.